Okay guys, the phone went dead as I was putting the last screws in the gate on the latch. So here we are, phone spec charts, and I'll do a walkthrough and show you how this Insta-Gate kit goes together and some of the key points of the gate. So this is the inside of the gate. It is opening in. The brace almost always goes on the inside. We have adjustable hinges on that side, and we're shooting for a 1-inch gap on both sides. The kit comes with a hinge, the brace, all of the rivets. It's reverse latch. Highly recommend this latch. This is lockable from both sides. This is super fast install. We've not had callbacks on this. There's nothing that drills to the post. Everything's on the outside there for the mechanism. It is reversible for left or right. You can switch it if need be. You have rivets in the gate corners. Gate stop at the bottom, that also comes in the kit. All of this is in the kit. The other parts that are in the kit is this vertical. This is aluminum. This is not vinyl. This is aluminum. We have to route it to fit your profile and your spacing. It'll come in 2 colors, white and tan right now. Custom colors upon request, I suppose. But everything's riveted. Nice thing about riveting the inside of this is as it closes, you don't have to worry about any screw heads hitting each other. And by having rivets here, it's very low profile. The other advantage using the rivets, guys, is that they're user-friendly. So guys that are installing the rivets, they can't strip them. They can't over-tighten them, right? The disadvantage is they don't come out as easy. You can, if you rivet the one in the wrong spot, you can drill it out, but that's a lot harder than just pulling out a screw. So there's an Insta-Gate kit for the win. Show you guys from the outside. And that's a pretty good rack on that gate. I cut the rails. I don't think you can get more rack without cutting the pickets. That actually rail looks like it has a little of a hump to it, and that's because those pickets are pushing on it so much. Yep, just a little bit there. That's it.